tell me what animal this is? Which animal is it? Correct, it's a cow. And what does a cow say? What does a cow say? Great! A cow says moo. A cow says moo. How about this one? What animal do you see? You got it! It's a pig! And what sound does a pig make? What sound does a pig make? Wonderful! A pig makes oink oink. What about this animal? What's the name of this animal? Yes, it's a sheep. And what does a sheep say? What does a sheep say? Yes, fantastic. A sheep makes baa, baa. Who can tell me what animal this is? What animal is this? Ah, yes, that's right, it's a chicken. And what sound does a chicken make? What sound does a chicken make? Yes, that's right. A chicken makes cluck cluck.